era nye enko na mvi so mo kawe ho nta. So is it not possible say bi kura na we mo de no conditions no mo de makotoko na is better. Eno ne ba o ka IMC ni omo PR sem no so era no say na no omo ye mayen. Based on the documents available. We mo so say no omo ye ba ntie compare me nu a. We mo condition
better condition of service and
this. So what
yeah.
Anase bia we mu de bia na nye kura na se era na better. Then why didn't you speak to Era
and continue with the relationship?
Continue there, because at least in him say you are visiting the high sense, you are visiting other people, so mumra back. So why then ma Era de no nkwa de man try to go back na TBH na turn from TBH for na be.
Yeah.
Or is it because he and no bet ma convince him so they are become my agency omo ye say ombesa me sika ombesa ye say and we are not doing much.
All these things borders on their PR. They should let them know.
There's nothing to say. They just no biana it is not a better offer, a better deal done. Era de no tiese be things of baba kan wansem.
O bi am buy kra no era no buy na o ma me to because the moment o mo buy no o be to era contractor aba na wi enti kotokota mo dis o mo come nhia the first time o mo come nhia ye hu so mo hye ntade bia amanfo believe say na inferior amanfo criticize ya na ye ka ho asem bebrebe so to all these things be boama o mo inform the supporters ama the supporters will come to terms with them because me so far as I'm concerned Kofi TBH no it's a brand. It's another brand that Abba. What I say, Era no, it's been in existence for many years, and a TBH no, Ebia, I don't have na Abba, me share ho. But me looking at the quality.
TBH is not a known brand. I mean,
this is what it is. So many Twitter accounts, many person even try to get to them, no more about them. They are not getting it. So I don't know if I just say non confuse the best way to say kotoko area no corner say omunyanya obi a anko munto jesi anko mun fa more at least once I mo try to meet my people a lot is also on the we are not angry me free but say be a area no senka e because I think that they did not get their money's worth.
So let's
when they decided
let me guess it was a issue
one of the factors
I a bit fluid don't say is it no me guess in shim we can move to the other issue and go from ready
so all what I mean my advice and he said that your friend say IMC for no metoto omo try say omo PR no me page am two me say Asante ko supporters and say no omo twen and the kind of product and microphone they ba rather than say all of a sudden say probably try radio to the Omatemunti TBH as I'm talking about in Germany, Ghanaian owned company in Germany did not take part of Sane Manemana they did not take part of Sane Manemana I want to believe it maybe because they are not aware.
Captain,
with that, I think that about me, Abuama supporters not at here because can.
What issue back on?
It's because here. It's because
others will have to come. What else? We are 9:37. It's a time. Another issue. Because by 10.
My see point. We are now my.
We are no, they all have to come in 10. Mami na akosi answering ko.
I said I
by 10.
So yeah, ku enemy ye be hwe na ye hu.
Oh challenge head of program.
Now Asante Kotoko ne agadas nkrofo no so to still from my checks no nkrofo no to they are adamant omo bunu ago mo som. Dina no bi me kai se tama
Saudi Arabia for yana msuru. Nsem no mo keka no. Nje kwa uzo mu ndue bisika do ara. And ade no play go mbeto mbetua.
Ade na mo football ebi ya na ahometini o. And I know House of Folk.
Saudi for no mbetua.
And I know House of Folk at all 11 one display player. Asibino. Na a week after living on the force omun 2 years cannot na me catch them say no once I would be ama omo ITC bibia no ITC me talk TMS system no apeke boy na be house folk player there what they can do they say they write to the FA and demand for their money and I think it's up to date start scan sell and go for no house won ntu ama omo
okay
dia kotoko ni omo eye ene ya be wie see scan ba kotoko twin bisoto that's how football is done. You cannot be glorious and I don't know why you can answer now woman Odimo player nako. Sometimes every transfer window is closing. Sometimes team no everyone word football is supposed to be like that. And Asante Kotoko decides okay because we are supposed to be friends and in the same friends industry, you know. Let we do it. But I akoya some ama media man it's on Kotoko's neck Pedisika. Kotoko trauma monsoa. Monso
cannot be on their neck when the money is not paid.
Some of them they are not aware because when him say let them say but yes as a Ghana crown so transfer player Bisoto who transfer some 10% to the FA and they thought say all these things has been done.
You cannot think in business. You cannot think like that. You cannot buy. So you write to Kotoko to just find out. Say what you are on family. You cannot be on my neck when the money is not paid.
Until say Kotoko be catch on.
But now they know who you are warm neck.
Because you know say a champion player, the player is playing for Champions League.
The money is not paid. They
test them.
And I'm the man and Zomunya you should be with player, you know. They know that when a transfer is done, it doesn't mean money is paid.
Yes, but yet they've written to Kotoko series of letters.
Okay, I'm sure what they will write and they say, "Sikana ba mon fair dear my." Am I how can we pay? It's a percentage of a certain amount. So we pay you when the money is paid. And you know, Mediama was several ways of checking that from the system.
That is true.
It's very easy. That is true. And I'm worried about that.
But we are not because I have time.
Okay.
Yeah, we have time.
So I control that no. Govi, Mamin Konam de Zakito. Okay. Mamin kind messages we kakrani enko. And we want to deal with all messages here. I think we should be circumspect and analyze the brouhaha around the skate deal. In my view, Kotoko fans are one of the most loyal fans on earth. But most importantly, they have retentive memory as well. Kotoko fans accepted Jacko, Strike, and other relatively unknown brands. So why the uproar on THB today? In my view, I think the uneasiness is more about the personalities behind the THB brand, but not THB as a brand. Bringing Kotoko down on your radio station in order to have your way at Kotoko is something that will forever hang some personalities till they enter their graves. Adair Desmond Ofori is a German-based skate brand without a website. Kofi Jesse say, Kotoko is moving from ERA to THB. Please, I want to know whether we are going up or down. Bernard Obremponya Meba say, Nane Amponsa and his management also signed with ERA because of their interest too. I am a stanch as of hope, but I believe the pull him down syndrome in Kotoko is too much. It's the duty of you, the sports journalists, to educate the fans. Kwakuya Bua, Esiama Jabase, Mr. ERA decided not to continue with Kotoko after the last kit design was made to undergo modifications after they had started production, causing them financial loss. Don't forget that as part of the ERA deal, Kotoko got free kits and €70,000 every season. Betty Otidankese say, we are not talking ERA. No, we are talking of something pull him down guy. Something the pull him down guy brought it but declined but now coming back again. So those are made. Then this one is from Blessed Ben. Or say Sia should stop the damage control. If we are to come out with those behind the deal, he won't be there saying this now. We know the genesis of this deal, so no amount of damage control can change it. Who brought the idea? When did that idea start? Those behind it and outside the club. Their terms is like the strike deal. Sell this number of JC and we will give you this amount. They don't have a website. Their last post was April 2021 until yesterday on Trader. It is not a German company. I can confirm. We have done our checks from Germany since yesterday. All right, so those are the messages. Now, the worst supporters of Kotoko are people who personally stand to gain financially from Kotoko. And this is from Nana Bewa. These are usually aspiring workers of media people who usually use their closeness to the club to target some personal or financial gains. Beware of such people when club leadership changes hands or see their milking threatened vultures. I mean, Nana, Brofono so I couldn't. Nobody is against the design. Okay, obiso diano no. Say any design per se. Kofi, yankwa.
Asante Kotoko. Now I see who's everything. And interesting. Do some real communication. Who here pa? Assembling in and say Asante Kotoko supporters. They are aware. Most of them are aware. And it seems the information or Koso say there's a particular person who is behind this Jesse. A journalist, a Ghanaian, and that he opposed the immediate past administration. And you say, and Adiana will propose you some years back, no, as answer about this. I am in party DC legend. Unzame, I'm in party. Kotoko for supporters and problem in here. And it's not really about Jesse Nene brand, you know. It's not really about that. Of course, a bit of reservations about brand bankra. Asante Kotoko should be wearing one of the brands of Kesa. You did say in world football, but omunya problem na kasana say omoya where this is what they have in their minds. Say a unipa see and now kwa GC way e de abra Asante Kotoko. Enti ehwa na problem na legend ewo ni nyina no no enye ye nyina the whole brand say no be crowd by Jacob nyina legend nye brand of JCB ani nim say internationally Jacob ye a brand that me say obi any in world football, but of course eventually when say mba na kakra then they will embrace the brand and the JC. Enti Kotoko supporters problem no any the mature say nipa na omugidi say we na share chire no this agis na aba no. I think say that's the issue. Enti say koba say ya the rest will depend on the communication e be free team no na aba no. When the bekasa be a better supporters in the team. Enti Dr. James Kwesi Apia has Anna Dr. Prosper na Tugum Krade en financing chain. Emmanuel Daso Berimo ene Nana Kuntumpomo. Omona also mutimi ma message be say of course these are the reasons why we settled on the Hope brand. Nani pane de Kotoko supporters nim no. Omo ya aware say ye ana ebia yes Kofi e den atem say tikrum he ya Kotoko supporter omote he ya nyina eti. They are aware say nipa so message behind it. Omo curiosity and also omo anger, omo frustration, whatever you describe it. Legend but just what I see you. Eti issue omo ne enipa na omo gidi say what I say fat or na say fat ne there. You cry intimi establish it. Legend but what I see you. But omo perception and abrebia na case perception is of essence. They perceive say adewe if you Kofi Ricky one eba enti yempe. Adewe if you siasa one eba enti yempe. That perception in the minds of Kotoko supporters is something that should be dealt with communication. I didn't bet me because the deal has been sealed, communication has been released, and to must really deal no the communication about one thing. Until the deal has been done, until you deal ne dear, no more to me scan the environment and who say say no more ne dear. The aka was a IMC ne be yen say how do we diffuse that perception and show my dream no? Until no a kasa. Why we needed to settle on this particular brand legend. I think that should be the direction. I mean, personally as a journalist, one thing I understand so when we sign case sponsorship near Dadena, legend case sponsorship na yes and elsewhere na na sika nkan wana. Say Nike na sponsor aside products.
They pay huge sums.
Exactly. Maybe team Juventus. Even when we are not playing well, Sika yeje from Adidas mono. Legend. When they say Chelsea for Inter Miami, you see Inter Miami.
That's our example now. You know why they pay money?
Yes. Because supporters all over. me Chelsea supporters. Omukwa koto replica jerseys
every year you have to change it.
And to me no mobile
them year you have to change it. That's why they change designs.
And na American. So na American.
Arsenal jersey. One e koto a Jamie to Esca.
So Arsenal jersey red and white. And so every season you be red and white jersey near you bibi kitikiti bi the account.
I'm just a hano. Say na wo ton and Jamie Oscar.
Okay. So numbers no. Yeah. So legend.
That's what I'm saying. I give Kotoko saying 70,000.
And no na me no I buy no. The first
to believe so we skaka crowd.
Me first comment na me dey ma no legend. Idea me reading what is going on, observations and what I know say happy and I'm dey kan no share no. But me as a journalist I don't about dey ni hiam kran say I didn't know part of the world in there. Yes, I know contractor. Yeah, now I call you be ma a training case. You be ma Jesus. You be ma training case. Let's get Bianca.
You know what is in this contract?
Sir, I'm talking based on release on the buy.
Release, they not give any detail.
More detailing no more the buy. That can be no.
The can the go fund the mama kotoko.
Yes.
Woman can be Bianca.
Sir, and I make one say the go fund the mama kotoko no. And also that's the statement, no. Legend, the unqualified the mama kotoko I think that is the statement. You will provide Sankabe reading out what Yamaya. Say, you have more training case. You have more a Jesus, you have better replica Jesus. My name say be before for Gaza. It is in a Sankabe. I think I should. And yes, I can
man, who say it gave any details of the agreement.
Kakao.
Me was say just release their club sir.
There no man now the provision is over.
Asante Kotoko is delighted to announce. Delighted just the humu yeno no so him sir. Delighted to announce the Hope brand, a Ghanaian owned and a German based apparel company as our official kit supplier to the 2023-2024 league season with an option of 1 year extension. As an official supplier, okay, we want me a supplier, and there's a difference between sponsors and supplier. We want more sponsors,
yes.
So that you know that there's a big difference. Supplier THB will supply Asante Kotoko with playing, training, travel wears, and replica kits for the club and its support base. The kits which are crafted from traditional the club count on. So man can be as some beton bibi. And then zoom. I
the replicas and two supporters and I want any ton beton them.
Replica kits for okay.
Supporters and chance be a normal fan job. And me who say me who say the
usually obi supply will be beer or the mount. What I say now normal business now so what ton be the shame.
But the heading of your movie release in there.
So be sponsor there. He pays money, he gives you a lot of because and the sponsorship. Announce new kit partner. Oh, yeah. Also, the word sponsorship tactfully have not been used. What has it? I think this is clear, like you were saying. Almost the name of Makotoko. No master, no supporters, so to be scabianim.
So this is what I do. Aside the issues, Kotoko masses, you know. Yes, aside issues are Koto masses and war with the person behind it any Jason near that don't know. Me ade an costume team no. Say ye kit sponsorship or partnership whatever. Legend pimping and escape let's embrace some of these things. So legend that is it.
Okay.
Away from that. Across the Fuku. Na legend it seems at the moment in there. The roadmap for House of Folk. When say Omo release a bright some bit the born again bit the atoswa. Across the Folk release or more preparation and kakra.
Roadmap ya no e siase abe announcement o hai.
Kapia
anya no.
Yeah. Omo de kakran
kam je en kai bo no.
Nkakra omo de aba yeah